This is a UDFO product, artificial trees. Check online for further details about the different trees they sell. It comes in a pot. It's a cedar tree, 3 foot. It's a 2-pack, nicely packaged. Let's place this down, take him out of the box, show you what it's all about. As we unwrap the tree, you can start to spread out the spruces. Open it up just a little bit. A close-up look at the container. The wood trunk, plastic parts into the wood trunk. And you can see the nice craftsmanship of the product. They dress up the area in corners by the entrance of a door, front of the house, covering up structures, entrances of staircases. Artificial shrubs anywhere you can imagine, in a room, an office, a business, residential. These are very decorative and maintenance free. They're plastic artificial leaves on top with a natural wood and a base and a planter spot. I hope you enjoy this product if this is something that you are looking for in house office decoration. Enjoy your product. Thank you for viewing.